Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change version in Midjourney. So to change the version in Midjourney, follow these steps and how to access the Midjourney settings. So for you to do that, open the Midjourney Discord server or the Midjourney bot in Discord, then type in the prompt which is /settings in the chat, then press enter, then view available version, then the settings will appear showing the available Midjourney version, e.g. you can have a V1, V5, V4, V6, which is the available version of the Discord Midjourney that you have in Discord. Then from there, select your desired version, then click on the version you want to choose. Then the selected version will be highlighted, indicating it's now active. Then start creating the new version. So once you've selected the version, you can begin generating image using the version structure and capabilities, and that's how to change version in Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.